Can $500,000 get you here in Hendersonville, North Carolina? Well, this home is listed at $510 and it's 3 bedrooms and it's beautiful. So let's go take a look. Thank you for watching another episode of Living in Hendersonville. If you're thinking about moving to Western North Carolina, I'd love to help you. My name's Carrie Chandler, and I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Mountain Partners. And to get connected with me, all you gotta do is give me a ring. Here's my phone number right here. Let's get connected today. Whether you're moving 6 months from now or 5 years from now, I want to talk to you.